Hello and welcome to another edition of Michelin Tread Talks. I'm Mike Steiner with the Customer Engineering Support Team for Michelin North America. A big part of my job is evaluating new products and tire design innovations. And with fuel prices at historic highs, I thought I'd share with you a real game changer when it comes to new tire development. So I'd like to take you on a technology-packed tour of our latest long-haul drive tire, the X1 Line Energy D2. When this concept was launched, our tire designers set out with a goal to build a new generation wide-base single with industry-leading fuel efficiency, maximum retreadability, and weight savings to lower your total cost of ownership. But they didn't stop there. It was also critical to put the human element front and center by designing a drive tire that would provide exceptional traction and instill driver confidence in all climate conditions. Let's see how they got there. So I think there's no better place to start than with fuel efficiency. It impacts not only what we pay at the pump, but what we pay for just about everything we purchase. So let me cut to the chase. This is our lowest rolling resistance drive tire to date. This revolutionary compact design uses advanced tread compounding, making it more fuel efficient while providing less tread squirm for improved handling and cornering. While you might not be able to see tread compounding, you'll certainly feel it when you pay less at the pump. In fact, third-party testing demonstrated that the X1 Line Energy D2 tire can save more than $2,300 annually over the Bridgestone Great-Tech M835A Ecopia, based on $2.51 a gallon when the test was performed. And at today's prices, your savings will be even greater. One final tread compounding fact that is great news for the planet is this tire has a reduced carbon output, designed to exceed SmartWay, CARB, and greenhouse gas 2 requirements. Now let's explore the biggest game changer in my opinion, the Regenion evolving tread design. Until now, we expected drive tire traction performance to go down proportionally as the tread wears away. But Regenion technology changes the rules of traction by changing the tread pattern as the tire wears down, providing exceptional grip, new and worn. When new, the compact pattern with 4 large pass-through grooves provide excellent water evacuation and a stable footprint for maximum driver confidence. This design is also directional for the first half of life, which improves irregular wear resistance, thus promoting long tread life. When worn, the tread design actually opens 3 additional pass-through grooves for a total of 7, providing traction when you need it the most. And let's not forget, it's an X1, which means weight savings. And finally, this tire comes with the Michelin X1 Total Satisfaction Guarantee. If your drivers aren't satisfied with the traction or handling, we'll cover the original value and help cover the dealer service. And if you're not satisfied with the mileage, fuel savings, weight savings, or retreadability at runout, we'll buy back the casing and the wheel. See our website for more details. So I encourage you to talk to your dealer or Michelin sales rep about trying the new X1 Line Energy D2 tire. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you on the next Michelin Tread Talks.